Hello from Vision Tech Shop, and we'll go over how to assemble TBWS scale. First, take out the TBWS parts out from the box. Take off 2 bolts out from the indicator bracket. Slightly untighten the bolts where the pole goes in. Put the pole in and tighten the bolts. Unscrew the top of the pole. Take the indicator bracket. Make the cable go through the center hole of the bracket. Screw back in to fix the bracket and the pole. Attach the indicator to the bracket. Put 2 bolts back in to fix the indicator and the bracket. Connect the load cell cables from the pole and the indicator. Roll to lock the connector of the cables. You can put the cable inside the pole. To put in the cable easily, unscrew the back of the pole. Then put in the cable inside the pole. Tighten the screw once you finish putting in the cable. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at gousapos@gmail.com or visit us at visiontechshop.com.